welcome back on our channel. I'm Shira.
I'm Arvid.
Today we're gonna eat fries. See? Fries. Yeah. And Coke. But I don't have Coke because I cannot have Coke because I have cough. Yeah, cough.
Sorry for guys, but I haven't posted a video for a long time.
Yeah, we're sorry for a very, very long time if we did.
I was having a seizure every day.
Yeah, he has a seizure and I have cough. And we had different house, but here we are now.
Today it's part 4.
Bro, take a while. I'm here. Today's part 4. Oops.
Yep.
By the way, she also posts shorts. So that's good. And you know what's my channel, right? I'm gonna tag it below the description. So good.
Oh, and views. She got 27 subscribers from one special short he had.
Yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.
Yep.
I could only have water or juice.
Yeah, juice is much better.
Yeah, I have vitamins. She likes the juiciest, but I like the crunchiest.
Yeah, I never know why we had different taste. Yeah, we only like.
I mean, we're different.
Yeah, right. We're different.
Sorry for that voice. It's just her papa and our pinsan. No.
Hey!
We cannot show her face. Sorry, guys. Hey! We cannot show her face.
Wait, I have a solution. You should not keep
I'm sorry, guys, for that. By the way, guys, remember Ate Mara? Ate Mara? Ate Mara?
Ate Mara.
Ate Mara?
Meron ako dyan, pwede mo nag-vlog ulit. Hello.
Hello, guys.
Hello guys. Naistorbo ko tuloy si Tito.
It's good. The cooker for our fries is my kuya.
Inuuwi niya po. Ayan na si Alvin Tito.
Crunchy!
Pines ka kay Tita.
She made the juiciest fries. I mean,
Ito na yung sa
she.
Yes.
Nandun mag-test ka sa Tita. Ay, 09.
That's
Ano pala sa kanya?
juiciest.
0915.
Bro, this is juiciest and the crunchiest. I'll have it.
080.
I cannot have it. I don't like juiciest.
Alvin.
Okay.
Alvin White.
Let's find the saltiest fry.
I guess this one.
I think it's this one. It has more salt on the surface.
Ay, Tita. Eto, Tita. Salamat. Thank you po.
By the way, guys,
Wait, can I have some?
Mela sharing scary.
Yes or no? Alright. Fine. I will choose the dark one. It's salty. Can you put some sugar here? Can you put some sugar?
I know.
No? Okay.
It'll become sugary.
Propose mo yan siya.
By the way, guys, in my last in my own channel, it's me, Shire. It's me, Marie.
It's probably the most saltiest fry.
Yeah. It's me, Marie.
Hi, Shakira Marie.
Hello. I got 1K views for just that one video. And also 47 likes and 13 plus subscribers. Like, for that one video, I got that also. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate
Imagine
you
when
all.
your subscriber sees this video.
By the way, I'm kinda doing breaks from Roblox because I'm doing something at Roblox and I'm gonna post a Roblox video next time.
Juicy.
Like, look at that.
I think it's white in the video.
They can see a little bit. Like, thank you so much. Like,
Another juicy one. Give me more of those juiciest fries.
I love you all. By the way, my name in Roblox, if you wanna add me, is Mia is your underscore is your world. I don't know why that's my name, but
I don't want
yeah.
this.
Bro, you just take a freaking bite of it. Eat it, bro.
No.
God seeing you, you're ungrateful for food.
Yes, where can I find that
Here,
fry?
that one, I saw it. No, not that one, this one. No, this one.
Oh, come on.
Bro, this. God is watching.
Alright, guys. Give me that juicy pork. Wait, I'll have more coke.
Can I have some of that too? Mama, can I have Coke? Hold on, guys. Let me ask if I can have Coke.
Here's the coke, boys. I can have free fries for breakfast. Now I'm just sitting alone. There's this fry.
Sorry, guys, for that.
Right, let's open this bad boy up. Hey! Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. I cannot have Coke. Oh my gosh. I need to eat.
It's no sugar. It's free, by the way.
Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Yeah.
Alright.
Here's the Coke. Crunchy, yes. You can take the first bite.
Shira!
Ano ma?
Dali, tapos kumawa ka ng coke doon. Busin mo yan, ha?
Oh.
Mami, may cheese na to? Cheese?
Oo, may cheese na yun natin sa sauce, ha?
Si tita nagluto? Okay. Guys, I got the spaghetti!
Yeah, I could not eat spaghetti, but it's okay. Good to see fries.
Spaghetti and fries is like Jollibee, right?
Yes.
For me, it's like
What about you mix fries and spaghetti together? You'll create a new food.
Bro, that's disgusting.
Bro, what do you mean disgusting?
I don't know.
Fries are salty and spaghetti is sweet, yes.
Bro, only ice cream and French fry are good.
Oh. That makes sense.
Wait, I heard Whitey's meow and Tiger's meow.
So let's check it. Views,
Hold on.
You gotta post.
Wait, there's chicken?
No.
Chicken? There's chicken. Mavis eating it.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. They can
Is the video
There's
stopped
chicken,
or
bro.
what?
Wait a minute.
No.
There we go.
Oh.
Bro, there's chicken. Mavis have it.
What?
Yeah.
What about
Jollibee
the
fries.
mixes?
Spaghetti fries. No, bro. Chicken joy. Like, we can create it, but from home. Homemade.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know what our days are before, but we should make some drinks. Like Coke Zero
Wait.
and Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
I know, I said it.
We need another glass.
Another glass? We could make another drink.
Wait. Nice there. Kumakain lang po kami.
Kumakain kayo?
Apa, ng fries po. Fries po.
And spaghetti.
Yeah. For me.
Yep.
This
Give me
looks
the
like a
fries.
dinosaur tail.
Crunchy.
I wish I can see some dinosaurs. Real dinosaurs.
Bro, we could eat you to pieces.
They can put it in the cage. But it
Bro.
needs to be strong.
Yes, I know. We could have Minecraft bedrock to build it.
What if Minecraft is real life? Like you
Then
can
everything should be
fly.
square.
What if zombies are real?
Bro, we would turn into zombies if they're here.
And unless you survive,
Oh.
you need to survive the zombies.
Alright, let's get the Mountain Dew. For some combining drinks.
Bro, be careful.
I'm trying. Now, what's next?
Get another glass. Melo, come here. Bro, you didn't close the fridge.
Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Phew. My hand! My hand!
Bro, look. It froze.
It froze.
Look, it's the freaking ice.
Oh, God. How do
want
we mix
my-
drinks now?
It's okay. There's still
Let's get the drink.
Wait, Melo, be careful.
Do not tell somebody about this.
I know. Wait, we're in vlogging. It's okay. They cannot see it.
Sorry for this.
Okay, konti-konti lang. Okay?
Okay, what happens?
Ako na.
Uy! Bro, it's gonna shoot!
I'm scared. Like, it's on the freaking
Dude,
roof.
it's-
Okay. I cannot really
Okay,
doing
what
this.
color will it be if it mixes?
Brown, I think. Okay, it mix.
Alright,
Wait lang, me first.
try
Okay,
it.
this is your side, this is my side. Me first.
Oh no, maybe
found your French
fries. Mavis, no!
Maybe it's super hot, super hot.
You're ruining
it!
The fries!
Drink it, come on. Go.
I don't want it!
No, Melo, come on. No.
No, I don't want it.
Melo, This is my spot. This is your spot. Come on.
Dude, I don't want to drink it, please. I know I've tried more than combined drinks, but you can take all of it. I don't want those.
So, please, forgot. Please. Just one small smith. Come on, it tastes good.
I don't know if I can taste it.
It's okay. Is it good?
785. Guys, look at this. Guys, look at this.
I do know.
Wow. This is Mavis, guys. Hi, Doon ka na kay Mami. Sige,
You're interrupting our vlog, bro. No, it's okay, bro. Let's get these drinks back. Now let's put this drink out.
Wait, I'm gonna drink it. It's good.
Alright, fine.
Hold on, I'm gonna put it back.
Hoy, Melo, baka matapon. Handaan kayo, ha? Hindi, dito yan.
I'm getting some drinks.
Saliho!
Join daw siya.
No!
Can she join daw the video? Sit down and join the video.
And there's no 3 chairs.
It's okay.
What am I gonna do? Share seats?
Yeah.
Maybe
Upo daw mo nagsasali daw siya sa video.
Bro, don't put it there.
Mag-vlog kayo.
Pa?
Baby, punta ka sa mga Okay na yan. Bro,
Parang may halong gulay.
I've not won the prize. Let's try the combo drink.
Huh. What drink should it be called?
How about Cold Dew? Like Mountain Dew and Coca-Cola.
No, what about Mountain Dew Zero?
No,
That has no sugar.
it's Cold Dew na lang. Come on.
Alright.
Cold Dew Zero and Cold Dew.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Cold Dew Zero.
Basta yung cellphone.
Alright.
Binigay ko na kay Mami.
No! Our invention might spread the Philippines,
But
so
we're
it will
just-
be a new drink.
We're just kids.
Yeah, we love combination of drinks or anything. Juices, waters, like anything but that.
By the way, guys, subscribe to Beanie.
And Shang Shang.
I eat myself. I eat my arm. It's wala.
Leave your phone. I got my own arm. Sit down here and eat. Ouch.
Tama mo daw si Ira, Mavis.
Try this Cold Dew drink.
How about you write the code? Can you write it?
For me, it's like it tastes Cokey and Mountain Dew, but I taste more of the Mountain Dew.
How about you rate it? 0 out of 10.
I'm gonna rate it a 9.
9? Okay.
Like,
I wish our drink is famous.
try Cold Dew.
Oh, it's gonna spread the Philippines.
Please comment if you tried the Cold Dew drink. Coca-Cola and Mountain Dew. Coca-Cola Zero and and Mountain Dew, or sometimes Coca-Cola
Shy?
with no zero. Yeah.
How do we make the brand of Kodu?
It's okay, Mello. If we're older enough, we can now.
If some subscribers try that drink, it might spread the Philippines. If they all talk to their parents, Kodu is good.
I'm in love with Kojo.
Hey Shy, what other combination drinks did we?
Royal and Mountain Dew. It's so good. You like it?
What about Royal and Coke?
We already tried that, but
Yeah,
we didn't like
what
it.
about? Okay, how about you rate it 0 out of 10?
No, I forgot the shape.
The Coke and Royal.
But Coke and Royal is a 5 over 10 for us. It's kind of like nah.
Huh. Shy. Hey Shy, maybe in Saturday we'll just mix some Coke and Pepsi. If it
What
tastes
about
better,
Coke and Yakult?
no, it doesn't count. It's a break.
Oh no, Mavis here, but it's okay. We like to put other members in our.
Hey Shy, in the future we'll mix all the drinks to form an ultimate drink.
Hi guys. Ayun yung video.
So, I wonder what
Ano yun, B?
Shy chips.
Guys,
Hey, Shy.
cherries.
Hey, Shy.
Look, naghihingi ng chips.
What? Okay, Shy.
Yeah?
In the future, we're gonna mix all the drinks that we have. Like Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Coke Zero, anything but
Yes.
like Coke Zero.
Anything. How about iced tea?
Iced tea. That doesn't count.
Yeah, it's only for the
It's a soft
American.
drink.
Tawag ko lang sa video.
Okay, but all of the drinks, they kind of cool. But so Shy, what's gonna be the name of the ultimate drink? It's gonna be too
Wait.
much mix of names.
The special drink.
Rap, maraming maganda na special.
Huh?
Huh?
Okay.
Or maybe ultimate drink.
Yes, it could be an ultimate drink.
Or sugar drink, because it's all the flavors, right?
Yes.
May kong na doon, no?
What about we call it?
Ayan,
I
have a good news, guys, here.
La! Ang dami na natin kinakain. Pitambi.
Hey, Shy,
Uy, B!
Now it's chip spaghetti. I mean chip gay. Chip gay.
What?
What?
Guys, do you know the one?
Okay, how do I name the? Okay, stop.
Hey, stop! Mello?
I'm not gonna talk.
Mello?
I am
Guys, everyone shut up. Shut up and breathe in and breathe out.
You know the weather storm
Enough
from
of
my
this!
friend?
Guys, stop talking. You're being loud. Oh, bawal yan buksan. Bawal yan buksan.
Hey, don't you dare
Bawal buksan means don't.
open.
You cannot open it.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's what it means.
From Tagalog.
Yes, I know.
Guys,
What am I gonna
the
call
door
you?
is locked.
Dude, stop it!
Bro, he's just a kid.
He's just a kid, but he's annoying.
I have the king here. Brought the king.
Guys,
Now you
everyone.
brought the
Guys,
president.
our sir is back.
You guys should fall in line and bow to the king. Ayan naka.
Baby
Tita Rotel. Our auntie.
Guess for tonight.
Here's our cat.
This is Sir
Let's get
Tiger.
Tito Ardel. Akala mo nilaglas pa na kanisa. Wow. There's a cat.
Sir Tiger.
What's your name?
Pedro, 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 Pedro.
Bow the king.
I'm the king of Miss Blooming.
Ayun na, binigyan na yan siya. Binigyan na sa akin. Bow to the king of tigers.
Kainin.
Hindi, kinakain niya.
Hindi ko pa kakainin.